once again from our IDS booth at DMG. I have some wonderful companions with me. It's Britta Meister-Petuker. She's from the Product Management Digital, and Fabian Oberhofer. And we will talk about the news that we have on our booth in the digital field. So Britta, can you name some?
Yes, of course. So we have our digital workflows with us, and especially I would mentioning the digital workflow for bleaching trays. Amazing, I can really tell you. And maybe, Fabian, you will tell us some details about it.
Oh yes, and our main focus was on streamlining the whole process. So we started at the very beginning of the digital workflow with integrating intraoral scanners to our process. We updated a lot of small or bigger features, and last but not least, multifile printing is also a big topic for us, but I would say come to our booth and try it on your own, because this is way better to experience it by yourself.
I think so, because so far I know we wouldn't like to take the hardware again with us at home, so please help us to carry on.
So we would be very happy to have you here on our booth at DMG, and thank you very much for listening.